variable K map, okay, there are certain attributes what we have to look and what we have to follow in order to check combinations of 4 variables, that is 16 outputs will be looking, right? So in 4 variable K maps, okay, let us assume we have 4 variables, that is x, w and yz. For example, I have just taken. So the combinations will go in this fashion, that is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Similarly, we have 0 0 on the vertical end, 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, keep this thing in mind. So there is a shuffle or shift of 1 0 in vertical and horizontal. In both the cases there is a shift, right? Any doubts in this? So simultaneously it is always better to write the combinations in this fashion, that is here for n0 it is 0, m1 it is 1, it is 3 and 2, that is, or you can just write first 2 and then 3, then next is 4, 5, 6 and 7. It is always good to write, make a larger table and then make these numericals in the boxes, then followed by your 8 should come at the bottom. Okay, this is 8, 9, 11 and 10, then followed by 12, 13, 15 and 14. So we'll get 0 to 15 variables, that is equal to 16 in number. This is the first attribute what you have to look in, right? Now this reduction of 4 variables in K map is possible with, this is also called as a quad set. We have seen normal 2 combinations and all, or 4 combinations and all. This is called as vertical quad set. Second one is called as horizontal quad set. Quad means 4, right? Similarly, if you have got ones at the corners of your K map, you can fold it. This is called as complete fold. Okay, in that combination also we'll get a quad set. Okay, you can see one corner you got 1, another corner you got 1, another corner you got 1, then and the last corner you got 1. When you just fold it inwards, okay, so the output is observed here. This is also possible in case of a 4 variable K map. Similarly, you can fold the last rows or last columns in order to get the quad. Okay, so this is possible and this is also possible. So you just club them together, which will become 8. That is called as a double quad. Okay, folding the outer ends in vertical ends also it is possible, right? This is called as a double quad, right? Now in 4 variable K maps, look at the point number 1. One square or quad represents min term of 4 literals. Min term of 4 literals. Rectangle of 2 adjacent squares represents a product of 3 literals. Okay, product of 3 literals, or in certain cases it will vary, right? A rectangle of 4 squares represents product of 2 literals. A rectangle of 8 squares represents product of 1 literal. Right? A rectangle of 16 is function, like produces a function equivalent to logic 1. Okay, these are certain attributes what you have to look in while you are doing a 4 variable K map. Let us solve a 4 variable K map. In this, it is given in sum of products form. Okay, sum of products form, that is z is a function of a, b and c and d, which is equal to sigma 0, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 11. Okay, so when you are making these rows and columns in this fashion, okay, whenever you are giving SOP or a POS, it is very easy to quickly mark 1 in that particular box or cell, Okay, so here you try to make A, B, C, D and the combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Similarly, in the vertical part, you can make 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 and make the individual numbers. That is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11 and 10. So that it is easy. For 0, okay, you can straight away make 1 here. Similarly for 4, okay, for 4 you can make 1 here. For 5 you can make 1 here. For 8 you can make 1 here. For 9 you can make 1 here, and for 11 you can make 1 here. If this combination, okay, in 4 variable K map also it is possible, but in 3 variable K map also it is possible. But for easy understanding, you can first plot or make these individual values. Okay, so let us start with grouping. So in group 1 you can make 0 and 4 as one attribute, because there is no fourth one. You cannot make a quad. You can make only two individual groups with these two groups, like, so that is 0 and 4 will become one group, 4 and 5 will become the second group. Okay, then 12, 13 and 11 are there, so there are 3 combinations, you cannot make them. Okay, you cannot make, there is no possibility, right? In that case you make these two groups. Okay, this is also possible, but it is not required. So that is this, and this is also possible, but that is not required. You can solve the equation in this fashion itself. So let us take the first group, that is AB is 0, 0, CD is also 0, 0. There you have got 1 where it is 0. Then similarly there is a shift in B dash. Okay, so this combination is A dash, B dash, and the next combination is, whereas CD will not change because this is a vertical row. Then the second combination is A dash B. Okay, which attribute got changed? Only B, so eliminate B. Okay, eliminate B. CD will remain the same, that is C dash D dash will remain the same, right? So that is A dash C dash D dash. So the output of this is A dash C dash D dash, right? Similarly, you just consider AB, so A dash B will remain the same. C D, which variable is changing? D is changing. That is, in group 2 we got A dash B will remain the same, it won't change. Similarly, which variable is changing here? D is changing, so that is C dash, A B C dash. Okay, A B C dash. You can find out the group, right? Similarly, you have this group number 3. Okay, group number 3, what do we have? We have 1 and 1 in the combination, whereas A and B dash will be there. Okay, A and B dash will be there because that is the thing. Then here also the D value is changing. Okay, D value is changing, that is C dash, A B C dash. Like this, make the group number 4. In group number 4, A and B dash will remain the same. Okay, which attribute is changing? That is C got changed from 0 to 1. That is, you have to remove C. That is D dash, A B dash D dash. Okay, so with all these 4 combinations, you can add them together in order to get the final output. That is A dash C dash D dash, A dash B dash and C, A B dash and C plus A B dash D. So this is the final. So let us check this combination. This combination is also very easy. Here Y is given as ABCD, which is the 4 variable thing, and the combination is A dash B dash C dash D. It is equivalent to 0 0 0 1. Similarly, next one is A dash B C D. It is equivalent to 0 1 1 0, and A B dash C dash and D, which is equivalent to 1 0 0 1. and A, B, C dash and D dash, which is equivalent to 1 1 0 0. Similarly, it is A, B, C dash and D dash, which is equivalent to 1 1 0 0. Here you got 4 individual groups. Okay, 4 individual groups. The moment you just try to place it. Okay, so what is this combination? Let us make the numbers here first. 0 1 3 and 2, then 4 5 7 and 6. Then you have to shift to the last column, that is 8 9 11 and 10. Then it is 12 13 15 and 14. So try to make the equivalent numbers. At 1, this is 1 we got 1 here. Okay, similarly at the next combination, which is 6 we got 1 here. Okay, 0 1 0 1 1 0, this is 6, this is 6. 1 0 0 1, 1 0 is in the last one, 1 0 0 1, it is in the ninth one, this is 9. 1 1 0 0, 1 1 is it in the third row. Okay, and 0 0 is here, which is 12. Right, this should be okay. Last combination might be same, you can skip the last combination. Okay, last combination is not there, so I think it's a kind of repetition, I suppose. So here we got how many groups? So there is no possibility of making another one. Okay, so all the things are in 4 groups only, right? All the things are in 4 groups, so you have to straight away make the output, or 3 groups. Okay, because this one is actually grouping with this. Okay, so one group only is possible, right? Second group is this one, third group is this one. First we will start with the first group. First group, it's a vertical group, just check vertically. Okay, only the shift that has happened is from 1 0 to 0 0, or in vertical combination nothing has been changed, right? 1 0 to 0 0, or 0 0 to 1 0. So only A got changed. Okay, only A got changed. The other 2 variables remains the same, that is B dash, combination will write A dash, B dash, C and C dash and D. 0 1 stands for C dash and D, that is A dash, B dash, C dash and D. Similarly, the next combination is A, B dash, C dash, D. So the combination, in this combination, A and A dash are changed. Okay, so you remove it. So the output is B dash, C dash and D, that is B dash, C dash and D. Now this group number 2. Okay, this is group number 2, which is A B, C dash, D dash. Group 2, this is for group 1, and group 2 it is A dash, A, B, C dash and D dash. Okay, A, B, C dash and D dash. This is group 2. Okay, I have considered group 3 as group 1 here. Don't get confused. Both are the same. Okay, grouping can be done or added in any ways. There is no problem. Okay. Now the last group, which is this one, that is A dash, B, A dash, B, C and D dash. Okay, this is the first group which I made here. Okay, so with this combinations you just add all the things together, which will give you a simplified equation. So the equation is given in this format. Okay, first what you have to make is make a table with 4 cross 4, because there are 4 variables. Okay, and let the number be anything. right? A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? Make the respective things, that is 0 1 3 2, then 4 5 7 and 6, then come to the last one, that is 8 9 11 and 10. Here it is 12 13 15 and 14. Okay, make the respective ones. This is 1 here, you got 1 here, you got 1 at the corner, you got 1 here, at 5 also you got 1, you got at 12 you got 1, 13 you got 1, 10 you got 1, 8 you got 1, 9 you got 1, and 7 you got 1. Now let us start grouping them. First group is this thing, it's called as octet or a double quad. This is the first group. Second group is this thing. Third group, it is the corner group, right? This one and this one, this one and this one. This is the last group. Let us solve the quad group first. Okay, so here you can take it vertically or horizontally. For every shift, okay, for every shift you have to add them. That is how you solve the quad or a double quad, octet, whatever it is. So let us say group 1 has the following combination, that is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, and the next one is the last one got changed, which is D dash, which is changed to D. Okay, eliminate them. It's the same combination, D got changed. So that is A dash, B dash, C dash plus next combination is A dash B. Okay, A dash B, it is changed from C to D dash to D, that is C dash, D dash to D. Okay, eliminate them. That is A B C dash, A B, that is A dash B C dash. Okay, plus next combination, that is A B, okay, A B and C dash D dash to A B C dash and D. So D has to be removed. A B C dash. Okay, A B C dash. It's not A dash B dash, it is A B. Next one is A B dash C dash D dash to A B dash, okay, C dash and D. Okay, which things have changed here? That is D and D dash, which is A B dash, A B dash C dash, right? A B dash C dash. So in all the cases the common thing is C dash. When you take a common, which is A dash B dash plus A dash B plus AB plus A B dash, A B dash. Okay, further when you solve it you will get unity, right? When you solve this thing you will get a unity, that is C dash is the final output. Similarly, solving group 2, which is A dash B C dash D to A dash B and C dash, which has been changed to C, and so it is C to D. Which thing has changed? C to C dash. That is A dash B, A dash B, C, A dash B to C. This is another thing. So the last one is the quad group, the last folded quad group, which is Let us solve one by one. First we will check in this fashion, second we will check this two things. Okay, so the first thing is group 3, which is the quad group. So that is A dash, B dash, and here the shift has happened in C because 0 0 to 1 0, so C got changed. Okay, C dash D dash to this thing, C got changed, which is C D dash. So the output is A B dash D dash plus these two combinations, which is, I'll make it here, A B dash C dash D dash has been shifted to, okay, which thing, A B dash, which one is changed, C has changed to, C dash has changed to C, and D dash is remained. A B D dash, A B D dash, both are in common. Okay, A B dash D dash. So we just consider these two things as A B dash D dash. Right. This is the final output. So the final output of this equation is, okay, C dash plus A dash BC plus A B dash D. This is the final equation. So let us solve this particular sum where we have a combination of A, B, C, D, which are 4 variables. So it is 4 square, 16 combinations you will get, where the sum of the things were given as 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and 15. 11, 13 and 15. So let us make a table with 4 rows and 4 columns with various combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, where we got 0, 0 combination. At 0, 0 combinations of A, B and C, D, we got 1, and 2 is over here, okay, which is 2 here. Then followed by 3, we got one more combination, which is 3 here. Then 5, we have to make 1 at 5. Then 7, at 7, 1. Then we got 8, 8 is over here. Then followed by 9, 9 is here. Then 10 and 11, 10 and 11 both are ones. 13 and 15, 13 and 15 we got ones. So we got how many groups here? We got, let us say, first quad, this is group 1, second quad as group 2, third as another quad which is group 3, and the fourth quad is the corners. Okay, the corners as another group, right? The corner ones as another group. So that is group 4. So we got 4 groups in order to solve this particular thing. Okay, so let us solve one by one, step by step, how to make this output equation. So let us take the first group. First group is vertical double one group. Okay, vertical double one, this particular row or column, whatever you select. Okay, so here we have one combinations which is CD, which is not varying. Other combinations that are varying are AB only. Okay, so that is, first combination is A dash B dash CD, okay, has been changed to A dash B CD. Okay, A dash B CD. Okay, B has to be eliminated, that is A dash, sorry, which is A dash CD plus, next combination is between these two, that is 0, 1 and 1, 1. CD remains the same, that is 0, 1 and 1, 1, that is A dash B CD and A B, C, D. Which is changing is this thing. So the output is B, C, D. Okay, plus the next combination is between these two, which is A, B dash. Okay, it has been changed to B dash. That is A, B, C, D, and A, B dash, C, D. So B got changed, right, which is A, C, D. A, C, D. The output equation is, we take C, D as common thing, okay, which is A plus A dash plus B, right? So A plus A dash is equivalent to 1. So the output equation will remain C, D, B dash, C, D. B dash, C, D. Next combination is the second quad. Okay, second quad, this thing, which is group 2. That is A dash B, A dash B, C dash D, C dash D, and let us check what has been shifted. Okay, let us check in this fashion, okay. So the CD part, in CD part, C has been changed to 1. So that is A dash B, C and D. So the output equation is A dash B and D. Similarly, the next two, which is A B, okay, which is A B, again C dash and D, C dash and D, and A B C D. Okay, C dash, C has been shifted to, C dash has been shifted to C. Okay, so A B D. Okay, A B plus A B D. B D is common here. So A dash plus A, which is unity, which is B D here. Okay. Similarly, the last group, okay, which is G3 here. B D is another term, right? So here the values are A, B dash. A, B dash is the common value. C and D are the variables here. Okay. So first case it is C dash D dash, and second case it is A, B dash, C dash. D has changed from 0 to 1, so which has been eliminated. So the output equation in the first case is A, B dash, C dash, right? Second case between these two, that is A, B dash, C dash, D has been shifted to C, D. Okay, A, B dash, C and D. So C and C dash has to be eliminated, plus A, B, D. A, B, D, right? Sorry, A, B dash D, A, B dash D, plus next two combinations, A, B dash, C, D to A, B dash, C, D dash. So D has to be eliminated. So A, B dash, which is C. So the output equation, if you write it together, A, B dash would remain the common thing. Then C plus C dash, C plus C dash, plus D. Okay, so that will become A B dash D. C plus C dash is unity. When you multiply it, it will become 1. Okay, with this AB. Right, AB dash D. This is the last combination. Okay, for the horizontal row. We'll just check the folded row. So we'll write this equation somewhere here. So B dash CD BD A B dash D. These are the 3 equations. The last folded equation we'll just try to make it up. The folded quad. In order to make the folded quad, first you consider these 2 things, that is A dash B dash. Okay, so here C has been shifted to 0, so C has to be removed, which is D dash plus, okay, the last 2 combinations, that is A B dash C dash D dash is there, it's been shifted to CD. Okay, it's been shifted to C D dash, so here it is D dash. Okay, here A and A are also been shifted here. Okay, so the output equation is B dash D dash. So the cumulative equation for this thing is, okay, first we will make the first quad, that is B dash CD plus BD plus ABD AB dash D plus B dash D dash. Okay, B dash D dash. So this is the cumulative equation.